So here we have a 1998 Chevrolet Blazer. Right now it's having a problem controlling the fan speed. It's stuck on one speed basically. You can see what the previous owner decided to try to just splice into the power wire and just do an on-off switch, which I don't really like. I'm going to try to fix it the proper way. So the part that actually controls the fan speed is right here. This is the blower motor controller. This is the automatic climate controls. It's one where you can actually set the temperature that you want. There's other models of this vehicle that have manual climate controls. Those ones would have a resistor right here, which you see I don't have. Here it's just going to be an access panel to the blender door. On the automatics you have a control module right here. The only thing holding this on is these 3 bolts. You get 1, 2, and 3 down there. And it's all you need to take that off is a 7/32 ratchet. And you got a wire harness there, and that's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this unplugged and take it off and go to the next step. Okay, so we've hit our first hurdle here. Problem is, this ratchet, I need an adapter to use that little 7/32. But as you can see here, the radiator tank is in the way. I can't quite get on that bolt. So what I would need is either a ratchet without this extension that I can squeeze in there, or I would need to take out this whole tank. So I'm gonna have to finish this up on my day off. So there's not enough time on lunch to do this. Alright, so I'm gonna do that when I can, and just be for a moment for you. Well, it's the next day, and I went out this morning and got myself a smaller ratchet, and it worked. So I finished just getting this unhooked, and I'll get the new one in its place. Well, as you can tell from the sound of the vents, I seem to have succeeded. And let's try turning it down, see what happens. Fan speed decreases. Let's turn it back up. There go the fans again. Not sure how well you can actually hear it, but the control is indeed working as it is meant to work. So we can go out and I'll show you what the new one looks like. Got it wired in right there. Now, some of the motors are internally grounded, some are not. If you have one that is not internally grounded, you'll need to connect this ground wire too. This one is internally grounded, so no ground, so this needs to be left dangling there. It hurts absolutely nothing. Yeah, there it is. I did leave the 3rd screw out because it's a pain in the butt, but also because I actually dropped it. But it's working fine without it. And there you go. Hope that helps somebody do your own repair. But no, I haven't seen any other videos on this particular thing, so now you know how to do it. I replaced the blower motor controller on a 98 Blazer.